Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming essentials. Node, JS and NPM installed, check versions. Next, clone the Bootstrap Dashboard Template repository or extract the zip so assets, CSS, and JS stay intact. Then, from the project root, run npm install to fetch dependencies. This prepares build tools and package scripts. Once done, launch the dev server with npm run dev and open the indicated local host port. Make sure to watch the console for missing peer packages or build warnings. You now integrate the dashboard into your app. Map the template's HTML regions, header, sidebar, main, footer, keeping data attributes and ID intact to preserve interactivity. Edit SCSS variables or create custom SCSS to override colors, fonts, and spacing. Compile assets so changes apply. Then wire up real data by swapping sample JSON or mock data with your API endpoints and configure fetch intervals. Once done, test interactive components like modals and chart redraws to ensure events and state propagate correctly. You finalize by running npm run build to generate optimized, minified assets, confirm file sizes and cache headers. Then perform responsive checks across common breakpoints and run a basic accessibility audit to catch contrast or focus issues. Deploy the built folder to your server or CDN and validate cores and relative paths. If things go wrong, check browser console errors first. Missing imports or version mismatches are common. Also verify correct asset paths and rebuild after fixing configuration or dependency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.